Namaste bachcho. Are you all surprised to hear this? Yes, this is the way how we wish in Hindi. I am your Ashwini ma'am and I am going to teach you Hindi, a new language. Alright? Like English, alphabets A, B, C, D, there are also letters in Hindi. They are A, I, U, R, A, I, O, Aha. Okay children, these are swar. We'll call as vowels in English. Alright, and there are 13 swar in Hindi and 37 Vyanjan letters in Hindi. Alright. Vyanjan means consonants. Now I will sing a Swarakshar rhyme for you. Are you ready? Yes. A से अनार होते मीठे, आ से आम पीले पीले, ई से इमली खट्टी खट्टी, ई से ईख मोटी लंबी, ऊ से उल्लू रात को जागता, ऊ से ऊंट पैदल घूमता, र से ऋषि ज्ञान देता, ए से एड़ी पैर का हिस्सा, आई से ऐनक कान पकड़ता, ओ से उखली कुट्टा मसाला, औ से औरत मेरी मम्मी, अन से अंगूर बहुत यम्मी, आहा काली बजाओ ताली. Children, did you like the rhyme? Yes? Louder! Yes, very good. Now let's begin. Okay? Today I am going to teach you Children, tell me Alright? Children, tell me the first letter in Hindi. What is that? Once more. Alright? Now we will see some words that begin with A say anar. A say anar. What is anar? Anar means pomegranate. Anar means pomegranate. You know what is pomegranate? Do you all like pomegranate? Yes, isn't it? It's very sweet. We all like it. Right? Our next word, say ananas. Can you say what it is? Tell me. What is this? It's a pineapple. Say ananas. Ananas means pineapple. Say amrud. What is amrud? Amrud means guava. Say amrud. Next comes say adrak. What is adrak? What is an adrak? Adrak means ginger. Say adrak. Say adrak. Say afsar. Say afsar. Afsar means officer, police officer. And next comes say akhbar. Children, can you tell me what is an akhbar? I'll show you one thing. What is this? Children, tell me. Think. What is this? It's a newspaper. Yes, very good. And at last comes the most dangerous. Say ajgar. What is an ajgar? Ajgar means python. Python is the name of a snake. Alright? से अजगर. So what all words we learned? से अनार, से अनानास, से अमरूद. Children, say along with me. से अनार, से अनानास, से अमरूद, से अदरक, से अफसर, से अखबार, से अजगर. All right? All of you understood? Now I will tell you the story of one day an officer named saw a big ajgar. He was so scared. He ran to his house for hiding. While hiding, what he saw? He saw an akhbar. He started reading the akhbar. After reading some pages, Afsar was so hungry. He looked all around. On the table, what he found? से अनार, से अनानास, से अमरूद. He ate all the fruits. After eating, he felt so sleepy. Then he thought of drinking an adrak tea. He made an adrak tea and drank it. Now he got energy and took the newspaper and started reading it happily. Children, did you all enjoy the story? Did you all enjoy the story of Mr. Yes? Okay, then let's memorize the words once again. Okay, children? से अनार, से ananas. I can't hear you. Why? No energy? Shall I take a adrak tea for you? Okay, children. से अनार, से अनानास, से अमरूद, से अदरक, से अफसर, से अखबार, से अजगर. All right? Now we will see how we can write All right? Children, for writing do you all know number 3? Yes. First write number 3. Then from here, draw a sleeping line. Then a standing line. Then on the upper part, again a sleeping line. Our is ready. Isn't that easy? Right? Okay. Children, write number 3. Then from here, draw a sleeping line. Then a standing line. Then again a sleeping line. You understood? Let's see it once more. Write number 3. Draw a sleeping line. Then a standing line. Then again a sleeping line. It's easy, right? Okay, children. So what all we learned today? We had learned the first letter in Hindi. A se anar. A se ananas. A se अमरूद. अ से अदरक. अ से अफसर. अ से अखबार. अ से अजगर. All right? Now let's sing the rhyme again. You have to do actions with me. All right? अ से अनार होते मीठे. अ से आम पीले पीले. ई से इमली खट्टी खट्टी. ई से ईख मोटी लंबी. ऊ से उल्लू रात को जागता. ऊ से ऊंट पैदल घूमता. हृ से ऋषि ज्ञान देता. ए से एड़ी पैर का हिस्सा. आई से आईना कान पकड़ता. ओ से ओखली कुट्टा मसाला. औ से औरत मेरी मम्मी. अन से अंगूर बहुत यम्मी. आहा काली बजाओ ताली. Children, stand up all of you. Come on children. Clap your hands high above. Do it the way I do. Clap your hands low below. Do it the way I do. Wave your hands to the right. Do it the way I do. Wave your hands to the left. Do it the way I do. Roll your hands high above. Do it the way I do. Roll your hands low below. Do it the way I do. Point your hands to the right. Do it the way I do. Point your hands to the left. Do it the way I do. Children, how was our warm-up activity? Did you all enjoy? Yes? Claps for all of you. Do you remember? Yes, it's A, the first letter in Hindi. And what were the words that starts with A? A se anar. A se ananas. A se amrud. A se afsar. A se akbar. A se adrak. A se, what is that left? A se, the most dangerous, do you remember? Ajgar. Second letter, that is A. Children, tell me what is this? A. What is the sound? A. Alright. What is the second letter in Hindi? It's A. Children, A. Now let's see some words that begin with A swar. Alright? A. A se aam. What is this? What is this, children? It's a mango. So in Hindi, what we will call mango? Aam. A se aam. Next one. A se aloo. Aloo means potato. You all like potato fries? Yes, even I like. Next time when you eat potato fries, remember that A se aloo. Next one, A se adu. Adu means peach. It's a fruit. Alright. Next word, A se aag. What is this? Fire. Aag means fire. Children, what happens if you touch fire? Your hands will get burnt, right? So, it's not safe to play with aag. That is fire. Next word, A se ari. say Ari. What do you mean by Ari? Ari means so in English. What is a so? You know what is the use of so? You don't know? No problem. I will tell you. So is used for cutting wood. So is used for cutting wood. Let's say it once again. Today we learned A. What is this letter? A. A say arm. A say arm. A say aloo. A say aloo. A say adu. A say adu. A say aag. A say aag. A say ari. A say ari. All right. Children, now let's see how we can write A. How you wrote A? Write number 3. Then from here, a sleeping line, then a standing line, and on the top, a sleeping line again. Right? Now we will see how we can write A. How is that? If you know A, it's very easy to write A. Just put one more standing line next to A. A is ready. Now we will see how we can write A in your 5-line workbook. Alright? From the blue line, start writing number 3. Then sleeping line, standing line, then one more standing line, and again on the top a sleeping line. Ready? Do you all understand? Yes? Next, how we can write in your 2-line notebook? How we will write A in your 2-line notebook? Only 2 lines are there. From the top line, write number 3 touching the bottom blue line. Then from here, not exactly from the middle, just lower to that. Draw which line? Tell me. Sleeping line, then standing line, then one more standing line. Alright? Again on the top, is it sleeping line or standing line? Tell me. I can't hear you. Yes, it's a sleeping line again. Right? So what we learned today? The second letter in Hindi, the second swar in Hindi, A. What is the sound? A sound. Children, now we have a small activity. I have some pictures with me. You have to identify the starting letter of that things. Alright? Children, what is this? What is this? It's a pomegranate. And for pomegranate, what we'll tell in Hindi? Anar. What is the starting letter? You remember? Yes, very good. Say anar. So, we will match it under A. Alright? Say anar. Next picture. What is this? Children, tell me. Yellow. Mango. Mango means arm. What is the beginning letter? A. A say arm. So, where we will place it? Under A or A? Yes, very good. It will come under A. Alright. And next one. What is this, children? What is this? It's ananas. Ananas means pineapple. What is the starting letter? Say ananas. Is the starting letter. Alright. It will come under here. Let me place it here. No, right? It will come under And next one. It's, what is this? Fire. Fire means ark. What I told you? It's not safe to play with fire. Say ark. So what is the starting letter of ark? Ark. What is the sound? Ah. So I will place it here. And next word. What is this? What is this, children? Ari. Ari is used to cut wood. What is the beginning sound? What is the beginning word? Tell me. Ah. The beginning letter is Ah. So it will come under Ah. And the last picture. What is that? It's adrak. Adrak means ginger. Say adrak. Say adrak. Starting word letter is A. So it will come under our A. Very good, children. Flower claps for all of you. Now it's our rhyme time. Today I am going to sing a mango rhyme for you. You know what is a mango? Say arm. Mango means arm. So let's start. Are you all ready? Yes? Okay. मैं फलों का राजा हूँ, आम कहलाता हूँ, नारंगी पीला मेरा रंग, बड़ी बीज के संग। मैं हूँ रसीला फल, खट्टा मीठा मेरा स्वाद, गर्मी में आता हूँ और बाकी दिन छिप जाता हूँ। Let me sing it once again. Do the actions, children. All right? Yes? Very good. मैं फलों का राजा हूँ, आम कहलाता हूँ, नारंगी पीला मेरा रंग, बड़ी बीज के संग। मैं हूँ रसीला फल, खट्टा मीठा मेरा स्वाद, गर्मी में आता हूँ और बाकी दिन छिप जाता हूँ। Did you all enjoy? Now it's our bye-bye time. Bye bye, children. Stay safe.